Hey guys, it's Charisma Mom, and so today I have a surprise for you. I have been wanting to cut about 6 inches off my hair for quite a while. Anyway, we're gonna do that today, but I'm gonna have my husband cut my hair for me, and I promise you, he's never cut hair before. I am a licensed professional, he's not. So let's cross our fingers and hope this goes well. All right guys, let's get started.
Do I start at the edge, just the center?
At the edge.
If I don't want to.
You're higher than you're supposed to be.
Right there?
Yeah. I'm
As well you should be.
I'm not gonna lie, this is terrifying.
Now we're just going to leave this little tail and braid it.
No, you gotta pull that over.
That's a style.
No, that's not a style.
In the 80s.
We're not in the 80s. Maybe we'll get on Brad Mondo. Harder than it looks, isn't it?
Sure.
You need to have that comb bracing that hair better for you.
It's a 2-inch comb. How well can I really brace it?
Well, what do you think?
It's uneven. It waves at me.
It waves at you?
It's like a really bad Bondo job.
Oh God. Alright, you're turning into a bad hairstylist. You feel like you keep cutting higher and higher.
Well, this side kind of like fans out, and then this side kind of goes like, it goes.
Is that where I told you you're probably going to have you look down and you're going to have to kind of cut underneath a little bit?
Oh, maybe?
And that's if you're going to have to press the hair?
No, there's a curl there. That's what it is.
Okay, well leave the curl alone.
Cut the curl? Okay.
No, leave the curl alone! See all that hair underneath?
Yeah, now I do.
Yeah, so you're going to... Is that better? Alright guys, what do you think? I'm pretty happy with it. I think he really did a good job for the first time ever doing that. He is, just got something in my mouth. He is not a cosmetologist or a barber. So it was a fun experience. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it wasn't too clickbaity because he really did cut my hair. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I was published in an online magazine called Evie.com, and I'll link that down below, and hopefully you guys can hop on over there and take a look. You can also check me out at charismom.com, and you can check me out on all of the social media places. I am there under charismom.com. And what else? I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you so much for your support. Hit that subscribe button, share, tell everybody in the world. And make sure you hit that notification bell because that's how you know when I upload. I do try to upload every Wednesday and Friday. All right, guys, thanks a lot. God bless.